Hello everyone, happy morning. I'm Julie B from Philippines. You can call me Julie, and I'm a seasoned marketing professional with a decade of corporate experience. Now I've seamlessly transitioned into the dynamic world of social media management for the past 3 years. I bring a unique blend of marketing expertise and creativity to the table. And as a marketing graduate, I've honed my skills to not just meet but exceed the client's expectations. Beyond social media, I'm also a professional video editor and a graphic designer. This allows me to create visually stunning content that captivates your audience and reinforce your brand message. Let's elevate your brand together. And once again, I'm Julie V. I am here to bring innovation, creativity, and a decade of corporate wisdom to your social media strategy. Let's make your brand shine in digital world. Reach out and let's start this exciting journey together. Thank you, and we're looking forward to talk to you soon. Bye.